Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how I make this basic Ghanaian chicken stew. I love this kind of stews because they are very versatile. You can make a lot at once and it's quite simple to make. So for this stew, I used tinned tomatoes, onions, oil, salt, cumin powder, curry powder, Scotch bonnets, tomato paste, garlic, ginger, Maggi cubes, and chicken. I blended onions, pepper, and garlic with a little bit of water. Add the mixture to the chicken and steam it. If you can't get your hands on those fresh ingredients, you can also use powdered spices to steam the meat. Add some salt and Maggi cubes. In another pan, heat vegetable oil and fry the chicken. Cut the onions and fry it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Here I'm adding powdered pepper, now add the tomato paste. While it is cooking, blend the tomato and then add it to the stew. Add the spices. I added cumin and curry powder. You can use any kind of spices that you have. Let the stew cook for a while and add the fried chicken. Let it cook some more until the water in the tomatoes has evaporated. You will know when the stew is done when the color changes from a red color to a more brownish color. And there you have your stew. It is very simple to make, as I said in the beginning, and it's super versatile. You can eat this with rice, but also with potatoes, with yam, with spaghetti, or even plantain. You really have a lot of options with this stew. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for weekly videos. Thanks for watching, guys.